dependence syndrome, or when we can say that the person is dependent on any particular substance. So 3 out of 6, this criteria is according to ICD-10. 3 out of 6 if present for at least for some time in last 12-month period, then we can say that person is suffering from substance or substance dependence syndrome. If 3 out of 6 is present for some time in last 12 months, then we can say that person is having substance dependence syndrome. Which are those 6? First is craving. What is craving? Increased desire or sense of compulsion, to use the substance. Increased desire, इच्छा, चाहिए चाहिए चाहिए, कहीं से भी बस चाहिए, लेना है. That is known as craving. Increased desire or sense of compulsion to use the substance. Second is withdrawal symptom, mainly physiological. Withdrawal symptoms are mainly physiological when there is reduced intake of substance. When there is completely stop or reduced intake of substance, there is appearance of withdrawal symptoms, which are mainly physiological. Third is tolerance. What is tolerance? Yes, very good. Increased amount of substance is required to get previous pleasurable effect. Means, suppose I have started drinking alcohol 6 months back and I am feeling cheerful or euphoric with 2 packs of alcohol. Now I need, after 6 months, I need half bottle of alcohol to experience same pleasurable effect which I was experiencing 6 months back with 2 packs. So there is markedly increased amount of substance is required to get the previous pleasurable effect. That is known as tolerance. Fourth is neglect of other social, occupational and recreational activities. There is complete neglect of other social, occupational and recreational activities for substance use. Main priority is substance. काम जाए भाड़ में, दुनिया जाए भाड़ में, रिक्रिएशन खुशी जाए भाड़ में, मुझे तो मेरा सामान ला करके दे दो भैया, मुझे तो मेरा पैग ला करके दे दो भैया, मुझे तो मेरी चरस ला करके दे दो भैया, बाकी चीजें जाए तेल लेने. दैट इज नेग्लेक्ट ऑफ अदर सोशल, ऑक्यूपेशनल एंड अदर एक्टिविटीज फॉर सब्सटेंस यूज. Continued or persistent use of substance despite having harmful consequences, harmful health related consequences like drinking alcohol even after having liver cirrhosis, depression, kidney failure, continued or persistent use of substance despite having harmful health consequences like drinking even after liver cirrhosis, depression, or kidney failure. Inability to cut down or decrease substance use. There is inability to cut down or reduce substance use behavior. The person not able to, they want to decrease the use of substance but they can't. They are unable or they are incapable or they are means उनमें इतनी वो सोचते हैं कि कम करना है पर कर नहीं पाते. That is inability to cut down. So these are the 6. If 3 are present for in any time in last 12 months, then we can say the person is dependent on any particular substance. Okay, one important question is what is reverse tolerance? We know what is tolerance. Increased amount of substance is required to get the same previous pleasurable effect. So what is reverse tolerance? What is reverse tolerance? Decrease amount of substance is required to get previous pleasurable effect. Reverse tolerance means 6 years, since last 6 years I was drinking 1 bottle of alcohol for getting euphoria or cheerfulness. Now I feel the same relaxation, euphoria with half bottle of alcohol. So decreased amount of substance is required to get the previous pleasurable effect. Reverse tolerance. Reverse tolerance.